Welcome to Home of Math. These three exponential expression we are going to solve today, which is very important for SAT, IGCSE, International Math Olympiad or any kinds of competitive examination. Let's start. Number 1. Here is 2 to the power x plus 7 equals to 4 to the power x plus 2. So this one we have to make same base, because we know a to the power m equals to a to the power n, it means m equals to n. So this left side will be unchanged, it means 2 to the power x plus 7, and this 4 we can write 2 square and then power x plus 2, right? Look, we also know another thing, which is a to the power b to the power c, we can write a to the power b times c. Therefore here is 2 to the power x plus 7 and here is 2 to the power 2 x plus 2. Now look, here base are same, therefore we can write x plus 7 equals to, here is 2x plus 4, right? Then here is x and here is minus, here is 2x, so x minus 2x we can write, and 4 minus 7 also we can write, because 7 will be go right side. Now here is minus x and here is minus 3. Once we multiply both side by minus 1, the answer will be x equals to 3, right? So very simple, very easy, but very important. So number 1 done. 3, so which is the right answer? Number B is our right answer. Okay, so now number 2. Number 2, root 5 to the power x plus 1 equals to cubic root 5 to the power 2x minus 1. Here is also some option, 2 by 5, 1 by 5, c and 5. We have to find out the value of x, which one is correct. So this one also our target to make a to the power m equals to a to the power n, because once base are same, that time power will be equal. So this one we can write like 5 to the power 1 by 2 times x plus 1, because we are not use root sign, therefore we can use power 1 by 2. Similar, we want to remove this cubic root, so we can write 5 to the power cubic root, against cubic root we can write 1 by 3, 5 to the power 1 by 3, and here is 2x minus 1. Okay, now look, here base are same, so we can write x plus 1 divide 2 equals to 2x minus 1 divide 3. Okay, now this one we can cross multiplication, here is 4x minus 2 and here is 3x plus 3, right? So here is 4x and minus 3x will be transferred to left side, so minus 3x, and here is 3 and minus 2 will become plus 2, right? So 4x minus 3x, it will be x, and 3 plus 2 it will be 5. So which one is right answer? Number D is our right answer, which is 5. Okay, number 1 and 2 done. Now we will try to solve number 5. Number 3, 5 to the power n plus 2 plus 35 times 5 to the power n minus 1 divide 4 times 5 to the power n. So in this numerator we can write one thing, but before we have to know about a to the power n plus 5. It means a to the power n times a to the power m. It means once base are same, that time in product power will be add. Same thing, here is 5 to the power n times 5 square, right? Plus 35 times, here is 5 to the power n times 5 to the power minus 1, right? And divide 4 times 5 to the power n. So now this one we can write like this. We can take common 5 to the power n. So here is 5 square, it means 25, plus here is 35. Look, 35 times 5 to the power minus 1, it means 1 by 5. Okay. Now here is 4 times 5 to the power n. Now 5 to the power n, 5 to the power n out. And in numerator here is 25 plus 35 minus 5, it will be 7. 25 plus 7, what? Here is 7 and here is 4. So 25 plus 7, it will be 32. Divide 4. So 32 divide 4, it means 8. Our answer is 8. So correct answer number B, which is 8. Okay. Very important free exponential expression we are trying to solve. It's very important because once you make practice small math, you will learn lots of time in short time. So try to make practice at home and keep concentration about power, base and plus minus sign. No more today. Once you face these kinds of math, and if you face any problem, please write a line in my comments box, and don't forget subscribe my channel, which is Home of Math. Thank you.